Oh, this is David De Los Reyes again, troubleshooting this Insignia TV. Before I will troubleshoot maybe the control circuit of the Insignia TV because the remote control is not communicating with the television. I suspect that one of the power supplies is dead. So what I will do is I will try to bring out the switch mode power supply. This is now the switch mode power supply for big screen TVs. Okay. These are solenoids. Okay. These are heat sinks. Okay. Mounted on the heat sinks are actually voltage regulators. Okay, it's one here, one here. Okay, we got another two here on this one. Then we got another one here. So actually we got 5 voltage regulators. So it seems the required component that will give 5 different voltages on these output lines. These are output lines. Okay, these are output lines. These are the one going to the different modules, and so with this one. Okay, you see the red thing over there, red terminal, that should be a positive voltage. And the other one here, they should be a positive voltage. So when I repair this one, I will try to see if the red terminal got a voltage. If there's nothing, okay, of course, some of the modules are not working. Okay. Okay, I want to discuss first what's a switch mode power supply. One of my discussions, I told you about high frequency transformers. These are the high frequency transformers. For big screen TV, this is quite a little big, a little big, okay, bigger than the one for cell phones, because the power for this television, the total watts is 150. So of course, it's a little bit bigger, okay. But this is the one I'm telling you, it's the switch mode power supply, okay. These are the filter capacitors, okay. Filter capacitors, okay, and we got some small ICs over here. It could be a controller for the switch mode power supply. For the meantime, I do not know the specification of those, but I will try to take the serial number, then I will try to bring out my book on electronics. I will be able to determine what's the use of those ICs. But for the meantime, my concentration is that I will try to troubleshoot this switch mode power supply. Firstly, it should be visual. Okay? Look for some burned parts like these capacitors maybe. Okay? We don't have so many resistors over here. But we got some high frequency capacitors. The blue ones over here. These are high-frequency capacitors. Okay? They are used also to filter out pulsations for this switch mode power supply. This is actually the spike control. This is the one that try to absorb any spike coming from the utility line, if just in case it enters the circuit of the TV. This is the spike control. Okay? Maybe this is rated 600 volt, 800 volts. So if the power spike is only 400 volts, it could take it. Okay. These are also some filter capacitors. These are solenoids. Okay. Oh, okay. I will try to count how many voltage regulators are mounted in the heatsink. We got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. So supposed to be, to power up this big screen TV, I need 7 voltage regulators maybe mounted on the heatsink. Okay? So it's a complicated circuit. For the meantime, I don't even know the schematic of this. I am just trying to troubleshoot this one physically by using my human eye. Then later on, I will check the components, okay, by using my multitesters like this electrolytic capacitors. I could check these ones if they are good or not. Okay, even the, what do you call this, the other things, the small ones. Okay. The small capacitors, to check you will just use the continuity test for your multitester. Okay. But for this electrolytic, I could check it physically because actually I could move this one. Okay. If I will try to flip this the circuit board of this switch mode power supply, this is now the one I'm telling you that for the new circuits now, for digital circuit, they are all surface mounted. They are too minute. On this side of the board, if you try to troubleshoot it, you can do anything, okay? Because if you try to solder something and one part is sucked by the soldering gun, that's it. It will not work again, okay? Because you suck one part and you don't know what component is that one. So actually, we don't touch these ones. We don't touch, okay? We just observe it if there are some burned parts. So actually, we could repair the board, okay? If the board connections are disconnected. The only one that we could troubleshoot also is on the big parts, okay? The big parts, that's the one I'm telling you. This is the analog portion, okay? Because they are big, we could troubleshoot it. Okay? Okay, guys? I will try to continue the troubleshooting of this. Okay? Then I will try to update you what will happen next. Okay, thank you.